In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DaVinci Resolve lagging. Start by launching DaVinci Resolve from your desktop and opening the project you want to work on. Once your timeline is visible, go up to the top menu and open the playback menu. Here, choose Timeline Proxy Resolution, sometimes labeled Timeline Playback Resolution, and switch it to half or quarter. This doesn't change your final export quality. It only lowers the resolution of what you see while editing, which dramatically reduces the load on your system and smooths out playback on heavier timelines. While you're still in the playback menu, set Render Cache to Smart. With Smart Caching, Resolve automatically pre-renders complex sections, like heavy effects, noise reduction, or high-resolution clips, so they play back more smoothly. You might notice colored bars above your timeline as Resolve builds these cache files. Give it a moment to finish and playback should improve. If things feel choppy right after enabling this, that's normal while the cache is generating. Next, open the DaVinci Resolve menu at the top and go to Preferences. In Preferences, switch to the System tab, then open Memory and GPU. Uncheck Auto for GPU selection and manually choose your dedicated graphics card. This ensures Resolve uses the more powerful GPU instead of an integrated one, which can be a common cause of lag on laptops and some desktops. Selecting your dedicated GPU helps with decoding, effects, and overall timeline responsiveness. Back in your project, right-click your high-resolution media, either in the media pool or directly on the timeline, and choose Proxy Media. Then select Generate Proxy Media. Proxies are lighter, easier to handle versions of your original files that maintain sync and edit points. Resolve will link these automatically, so you keep editing smoothly while preserving full quality for final export. If your footage looks a little softer during editing, that's expected with proxies. The originals are still there for delivery. For an extra performance boost while you're refining edits, click the Bypass Color Grades and Fusion Effects icon above the viewer. It looks like a magic wand. This temporarily disables color correction and fusion processing, which are often the heaviest tasks in Resolve. It's a great way to focus on timing and cuts without stutter. Just remember to turn it back on when you're reviewing color or getting ready for final checks. By adjusting playback resolution, enabling smart caching, ensuring your dedicated GPU is selected, generating proxies, and temporarily bypassing heavy effects, you should see a clear improvement in timeline performance and a much smoother editing experience.